Thank you for purchasing your Panasonic air conditioner from Ford & Doonan Air Conditioning. This short video will help you to understand the operation of your air conditioning control unit so you can get the optimum performance for year-round comfort. Your control unit should be active. You can check this by pressing the power button located at the top of the controller. You'll see the activation lamp turn on to indicate the air conditioner is operating. If the power button does not work, you'll need to ensure the external power circuits are turned on. These may have been disabled for safety reasons if your air conditioner was installed during the building process. Firstly, locate the external air conditioning unit. Check that the external isolator switch is turned on. Secondly, check the main electrical board for the circuit breaker marked air conditioning. If the switch is off, switch it to the on position. If the switch is already on, turn it off and back on to reboot the system. This may take up to 10 minutes. Once your air conditioner has been activated, you'll be able to turn it on using the big on button. Now, set the appropriate mode required. Cooling mode is represented by the snowflake icon. Heating mode is represented by the sun icon. Make sure you have the correct icon showing on your controller. Once your desired mode is selected, either cooling or heating, you can adjust the temperature to suit. For maximum efficiency and optimum energy consumption, we recommend setting the cooling cycle to 24 degrees and the heating cycle to 21 degrees. To change the amount of air coming through, you can adjust the fan speed. There are 3 different settings. This icon automatically switches the fan speed as necessary, or you can choose low, medium, or the high setting. Now, direct the airflow to the areas you want cooled by selecting your zones. Zones are small motors built into your system which control the flow of air to the rooms. When selected, they open up the airflow and allow either cooled or heated air into the area of that particular zone. In most cases, with a reverse cycle ducted system, you'll have 2 controllers, one for the air conditioning system and one for zone control. For most efficient and cost-effective use, close off zones when you are not using them, such as bedrooms during the day or living areas at night. Ensure you have at least 1 or 2 zones on. This will direct the airflow to those rooms you have selected. Wait a few minutes and check that airflow is entering those rooms. Lift your hand up to the outlet and you should feel some air movement. Please note that the outdoor fan will not be running all the time. This is completely normal. Remember, the systems are not designed to do all the zones at once. Just select the areas you need. It will not damage the system to have all the zones on, but the system will become less effective and less economical. The less zones on, the better the system will perform and the cheaper to run. Once you get acquainted with your system, you'll be able to get the maximum benefit from your air conditioner. The systems are very safe and are internally protected. You'll not harm the system if you play around with the controls, so give it a go. If you need further assistance, please contact the Ford & Doonan branch that installed your air conditioner. We're always happy to help. For any queries you may have, call 1-800-247-266.
Have a Ford & Doonan day.